I don't know about you, but sometimes I do not have either stew or soup in my fridge. And laziness and tiredness will combine powers. And of course, I cannot come and keep myself. So during those times, this is my go-to recipe when it comes to stew. Something I can whip up quickly for my family to enjoy. Since I call it the emergency stew, all the ingredients and quantities will be listed in the description box. So we'll go right ahead into the kitchen and get cooking. So I have some oil here in my frying pan. I'll add some chopped onions and then I'll go ahead and add in some pepper. I'm using powdered pepper in this recipe because, like I said, we are going to be quick. Once your ingredients are prepped, this should take about 10 minutes and it will be ready. So after frying my onions for about 2 minutes, I'm going to add in my chopped tomatoes and then I'll leave it on low heat and allow the tomatoes to soften. So here we go. This is the end product. That is totally fine for me. Then I'll go ahead and add in my eggs. After which I'll cover my frying pan and allow the eggs to fry. So I left my eggs for about 3 minutes and now I'm going in to sort of break my eggs into pieces. If you're new here, hi, you're so welcome. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing family. Now I'll go ahead and add in half of a seasoning cube and some salt and then stir it in. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love and support. I am so grateful. At this point, every other ingredient I'm adding is optional. I went ahead to add in some leftover corned beef and sardines. And then finally, I'm going to add in some chopped bell peppers, which I had in the freezer. So yeah, that is it. Our stew is done. It goes with yam, plantain, plain rice, eba, kinky, you name it. It is so delicious, you'll be amazed. On this particular day, we had it with some yam. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I am so thrilled that I got to share this recipe with you. Do try it and let me know how it goes. Leave your comments down below. Continue sharing my content. Leave me a thumbs up. And until we see each other again, keep blooming.